Hello, channel members. I hope you guys are having a great day. I want to make sure that I keep giving you guys added value. I'm not saying I'm a financial advisor. I don't want to give financial advice, nor am I qualified to give financial advice. This is purely entertainment and education, and I'm just giving you my own personal moves. If people make money along the way and you guys pulling the triggers and making money, that's on you. And if you pull the trigger and you lose money, that's on you as well. Today, I spent around $20,000 buying more options. I'm going to show you the options that I bought. This is not my only account, so I bought some here. I bought some in my other account, but I wanted to show you guys the power of options, if you don't mind. So let's present the screen. Let's share the screen. Okay, this is my account right now. I want to go into options. Okay, so I ended up buying Robinhood today. I bought, I don't know, like around $5,000 or $6,000 worth of Robinhood. I just want to show you something. Robinhood currently is up 0.8% regular trading. But if you go to Robinhood and you go to options, Robinhood is actually up today 4.6%, right? So Robinhood is up 0.8% for the day, but Robinhood is up 4.6% when we're talking about options. Really, really big difference, really big multiple. Also, today, I bought PayPal. I also bought, several grand worth of PayPal. I don't know exactly how much, but thousands of dollars worth. PayPal is currently up 0.9%. Let's call it a percent. But if you're going to go to options, and you're going to go to PayPal right here. PayPal for options is actually up 3.5%, okay? When I started talking about these plays for the channel, I'm currently up around 100% since I started talking about it on this specific channel. Now, my total up on this play is not 100% because I was buying as late as today. I bought last week as well. And the point is, when I find a winner and I think it's going to keep moving forward, which I believe fintech is going to keep moving forward for various different reasons, then I keep piling money into it. I keep building my position. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing right now from PayPal and from Robinhood. And if you guys want to see how much I am up on Robinhood so far, Robinhood for this account, I am also up 100%. So if anybody got into PayPal or Robinhood when I did, you guys are doubled on your money. I hope you guys are enjoying that $3 donation for my coffee. Of course, everything is entertainment and educational purposes. Also, I have Square. I did not buy Square today. The reason I didn't buy Square today is because Square started running up, and I don't want to buy on a run up. However, I did end up buying Square, and I told everybody on the channel that I bought Square. Not on the channel, only my channel members. Square is currently up 4.3%, but if you go to the Square options, Square options is actually up 20%. So the multiple of options up or down is freaking ridiculous. The multiple is crazy. And as you get closer to a certain target price range and date, those numbers get even crazier when you take into effect all the Greeks. I'm not an expert on all the Greeks, but the multiples start getting absolutely ridiculous. The higher up, the closer you start getting to the strike target, the more the multiples start going up. It's beautiful. And if you got into this position at the same time I did, which I'm not telling anybody to get into, you guys would have been up 33%. One more. I ended up doubling my position of MQ today. Approximately doubled. I'll show you in just a moment. MQ is up 0.6%. Why did I double my position with MQ? Because if you go to MQ, my option for MQ right here, I have a 10,750. I think I ended up getting into this position at 5,000, and I spent another 5,000 earlier today. Today's return, I'm up 7.5% or $750, right? So I'm sorry, not today's. Total is 7.5%. Today's return, it's up 14.6%. However, it's only up 0.6%. So check this out. I'm only up 0.6% when it comes for MQ for today, right? But if you go to the actual price of MQ right now, in the options, I am up 14%. It's absolutely freaking crazy if you think about it, right? It's absolutely crazy. So the multiple between the options and the way the regular trading is going is significant. Let's go to something else. SoFi is actually down 1%. Let's see how SoFi is doing when it comes to options. So SoFi is down 1%, and the options is actually down 1.4%. So you start getting this like really good risk versus reward. Remember, SoFi did not have a run yet. Hood did not actually have a crazy run. PayPal did not actually have a crazy run. Square did not actually have a crazy run. MQ didn't have a run at all. Once they have runs, you're going to be trading a little bit closer to what's happening in the day. But right now, there is so much room to grow. It's absolutely ridiculous. And let's go to Palantir. Palantir is currently down 0.5%. I bought these. I shared this play with the group as well. And even though Palantir is currently down 0.5%, on my today's return, my options, I'm down 2.8%. So when you're trading options, it's not a one-to-one, right? It's not a one-to-one variable. It is trading at a magnitude or multiple X's up or down. Currently, I'm going to see what's happening. As always, I am just keeping true to what I said, and I'm going to give you as much value as possible when it comes to entertainment and education, because this is not financial advice, of course, and I'm just giving you guys my personal plays. Sometimes I make money, sometimes I lose money, but as you can see, I am up 5 figures plus, low 5 figures, but 5 figures plus in these option plays. And we're talking about over the last like 2 weeks or so. And remember, this is not my only account. I have other accounts. This is just the account that I feel comfortable, sharing with you guys. What you guys do with this information and knowledge is up to you. I also do short-term option plays. I didn't see anything right now, but I wanted to show you one other option play that I have been doing, and I do this every single week. So what I do is I go into my regular shares, okay? In this account, I have 11,000 Palantir shares. And what I end up doing is I end up selling calls. So I end up selling covered calls. And the way I sell covered calls is I usually do it for 1 week. I don't do longer than 1 week. I like weeks like this, which have short weeks, right? When you have 1 day down. And I like to buy sell the covered call approximately 20% out of the money. So as Palantir's price right now is $15.40, $15.50, I ended up selling 103 covered calls at 2 cents and the $17.50 strike price, which means for every call that I sell, I get 2 cents per share. So every call, I'm getting $2. I sold 100 call options, so I ended up making $200. Except it's not 2 cents. Robinhood actually charged me 1 cent on this. The point is, I'm selling this every single week, and because I'm able to sell this every single week, I am making a nice essential dividend play when it comes to covered calls. At the end of this video, I will be linking right here a video where I speak about covered calls that most people are probably not going to watch or haven't watched, but making money on selling covered calls on your existing shares is real. You could make hundreds and thousands of dollars. I literally sell covered calls for my son and my daughter's account. Remember, when you have a custodial account, you don't pay taxes up to, I think, $2,300. So I'm selling every single week a few dollars worth. They might only be making $5 or $10 a week, but it's tax-free money. And if you're a parent and you have a custodial account, you should definitely 100% be taking advantage of this. Again, nothing I say is financial advice, but if I didn't think that these have room to grow, I would not be buying today. As I said, I spent around $20,000 on the same options that I've been talking to you guys about. This is the 3rd or 4th video about the same exact options that I've been talking about over the last 2 weeks. Some people will never get in. Some people get in late. Some people get in super early. I am plowing money into these because I do think that fintech is going to take off. That's my personal opinion. Thank you very, very much. And if something changes, I will let you know. If I sell, I will let you know as quick as I possibly can. Have a great day.